guys, welcome to my channel. I am a handkerchief or in Croatian I am Emma Rucic. In this tutorial I'll show you guys how to make this granny square. After this tutorial I'll show you guys how to do a cardigan. That will be my second video. So if you came here only for the cardigan, then you should follow the steps exactly like it's described in the video. And if you came here only to see how to make a granny square and not make a cardigan, then you can make as many rows as you want in the granny square. In this tutorial I'll have 5 rows, but if you are not making a cardigan, you can make, I don't know, 4 or 6 rows or 3. It really doesn't matter. You can make as many as you want. So yeah, let's get started. So first I'm going to show you how to make a magic ring. That's how you start a granny square. So rotate the yarn around your 2 fingers like this, 2 times like this. Now make sure that the shorter part of the yarn is underneath your fingers and that this part of the yarn is further away from the nails than this part. Now insert your hook into the first part of the yarn and yarn over and pull through. And make a chain, yarn over, pull through. Now you can get your fingers out and you should have this circle, and you can make it smaller by pulling the shorter part of the yarn. Now make 2 more chains. And if you don't know how to make a chain, watch this video. Now we're gonna do a double crochet, and if you don't know how to do a double crochet, watch this video. So when we're doing a double crochet, we are not gonna do it only on this part of the yarn. We must do it on both pieces of yarn. So like this. I hope you understood what I meant. And do it 2 times. Okay. And now you should make 2 chains. And now just repeat the process. Make 3 double crochets. And 2 chains. And now do that 2 more times. So do 3 double crochets and then 2 chains 2 more times. And when you're finished, it should look something like this. Now you can pull this shorter part of the yarn to make this circle smaller. Like this. And now I'm going to show you how to change colors. So let's say that this black color is my color A. You can use any other color. And this white color is going to be color B. So I'm going to make a knot with color B around color A. Like this. And now make sure to pull the color B as close as possible to the hook, like this. Now hold color B with your left hand, and remember that at the beginning we made 3 chains. Now we're gonna insert our hook into the 3rd one, and it will be this one. Now make a slip stitch. So yarn over and pull through both loops. Like this. Now, when we're going in the 2nd row, we need to make 3 chains. And then we're gonna cut out the black yarn. And now we're gonna make 3 double crochets in this corner, in the left corner. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna do 2 chains and 3 more double crochets in the same space, in the same corner here. And it should look something like this. And now we're gonna make the same thing in this corner. So 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and that's it. Repeat the same process in the third space. That's how it looks like when you finished the third corner. And now when we're going into the fourth corner, we need to make a double crochet around these 2 pieces of yarn, just so we hide it a little bit. So yarn over them like this, so it's hidden kind of. So yeah, make 3 double crochets, 2 chains, and then we're gonna make only 2 double crochets, because those 3 chains count as 1 double crochet. So yeah, that's our third double crochet. And now we need to change colors. I hope you remembered how to do it, but I'm gonna do it one more time with you. So take color A and make a knot around color B. And pull color A as close as possible to the hook. Hold the color A and insert your hook into the third chain from the beginning, and it will be this one. 1, 2, 3, and make a slip stitch. So yarn over and pull through both loops. That's how you change colors. Now we're gonna make 3 chains, which counts as 1 double crochet, and we can cut out color B. And now we have space here, and we're gonna make 2 double crochets in there, and we're gonna cover up these 2 yarns like this. We're gonna crochet over them like this. So this counts as 3 double crochet. Now we're gonna go into this corner right here, and we're gonna make 3 double crochets, and then we're gonna make 2 chains and 3 double crochets in the same corner. It should look something like this so far. Then we're gonna go in this space and make 3 double crochets. So keep doing that. So when you come to this space, make 3 double crochets. When you come to the corner, make 3 double crochets, 2 chains and 3 double crochets, and repeat that process. So I hope you understood. I'm gonna repeat the process 2 more times. So when you're at the corner here, here and here, you should make 3 double crochets. And then 2 chains and 3 more double crochets in the same corner. Like this. And you should make that in every corner. I will not repeat myself anymore. And now we're gonna go into this space and make 3 double crochets, and we should do that in every space. So do that in this space one more time. So yeah, keep doing that. When you've come to the end of the row, it should look something like this. And now we're gonna change colors. And we basically repeat the same process over and over again. I'm gonna show you. So you know how to change colors. Okay, so I've changed colors and cut out the color A. And now we are doing the same thing as in the 3rd row. But now we have 2 spaces. We have a space here and here. And yeah, we have 4 more spaces. So I'm gonna remind you how to do it. So now in this space we need to make 2 more double crochets, but we need to cover up these 2 pieces of yarn by crocheting over them like this. Okay, so now make 3 double crochets in this space. Then when you're in the corner, and make 3 double crochets. Two chains and 3 double crochets in the same exact corner. And do that every time. So in every space make 3 double crochets, and in every corner make 3 double crochets, 2 chains and 3 double crochets. And just keep doing that until you come to the end. So this is how it should look like when you come to the end. Now change colors and make 5th row, and I think you know how to make 5th row. So yeah, make 3 double crochets in each space. In all of these spaces you have 1 more space right now. See, you have 1, 2, 3 spaces in one side of the square. So you have 9 spaces and 4 corners as usual. And yeah, I hope you understand what you need to do, because I'm not gonna show it again. This is how it should look like when you come to the end of the 5th row. And now I'm gonna show you how to finish it off. So insert your hook into the 3rd chain from the beginning and make a slip stitch. So yarn over and pull through both loops. And now make a chain, cut out the yarn and pull through. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the cardigan video, because who doesn't like a good cardigan? And